say?
So, Georgia wanted to do something fun and unique for our baby gender reveal test. So, there's a balloon down there on target. And she wants it filled with paint, one gender or another. And she wants me to shoot it. So I said, okay. Anyway, here goes nothing.
Let me go down there so I can... Here we go. There's a little tiny pink spot. It's a girl. You got it out. Yay! We're having a girl.
Daddy's buying more guns. Lots more.